Hello folks, welcome to Teach Kolachi. Today we are going to learn how to host our static web pages using GitHub. In the last video, we learned how to host our websites using Firebase. You can find this video on my channel over here. So let's move on to GitHub hosting. So here's the code which I am going to push to the GitHub repository, and I am going to show you how to host your static web pages using GitHub. So let's move on to push the given code. I'm going to move to GitHub Bash over here, writing the command git add git push origin if you use GitHub Desktop, so you can easily drop down all the updated files to the GitHub repository as you wish, and you can also put all the files in the GitHub repository by going to the GitHub website. So it depends on you what method you choose to put your code on GitHub repository. I would be making further videos learning GitHub. If you want me to make, please comment on the video. So let's move on the further step. Now I am going to commit it using the message initial commit. So here our commit has been done to the GitHub repository. Let's move to the GitHub hosting. So after refreshing the GitHub repository on GitHub, we would see that the updated code and all the required resources have been updated on our GitHub. Now let's move towards GitHub hosting. So first we are going to move to settings of that particular repository. We are going towards this heading which shows GitHub pages. So this helps you to host your static websites, and that's all for free. There might be some constraints, but for the beginners it is an important tool to learn, and it can be helpful if you are working with freelancing clients or on a shorter projects. It asks for the source from where you have to host, so we are going to selected main because we committed all the required source code to the main repository. There is an option to choose a theme, but we are not going for that option. So after clicking on save, we would reload the page. So here you can find that there is a link, and this link shows that all the required resources of your website is being hosted on this link. So let's see how our website used to look on the local host. So I'm back to the VS Code and would choose to open with live server. So this is the web page which we want to be hosted on internet. So let's see how it was hosted using GitHub. So if you have watched my previous video in which we hosted our web page using Firebase, GitHub is an easy option and developer friendly too. So let's see how a website looks on a GitHub hosting. So when I would be clicking this link, it would move towards the web page which we wanted to be hosted on the internet. So this is the required result which we wanted, and it shows that welcome to Teach Kolachi, and stay tuned to learn further different streams of computer science. You will be learning computer vision, deep learning, machine learning, and app development using different cross-platform technologies, either Flutter or React Native. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.